Today, I'm going to show you the new Chinese AI that makes videos from images. This thing is insane. It's called Video Q2 and it just came out. While Midjourney gives you a picture, this gives you actual motion. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So there's this new AI video tool that just dropped from China. It's called Video Q2 and it's making some serious noise in the AI world right now. Here's why this matters to you right now. When you use Midjourney or any image AI, you get a still image. That's it, one picture. But with Video Q2, you can turn that image into a real video with motion, camera movement, and facial expressions. Let me explain what this thing actually does. Video Q2 is made by a company called Shengshu Technology. It's a multimodal AI model. That means it does multiple things. It does image to video, it does text to video, it does reference to video, and it even does image generation and editing now. So it's basically a full creative suite in one tool. The videos it makes are short. We're talking 2 to 8 seconds, up to 1080p resolution. Not super long, but that's not the point. The point is what it can do in those few seconds, because this thing has two modes. First mode is called Pro or Cinematic mode. This is for detailed movie style visuals, more polished motion, better quality overall. Second mode is Turbo, also called Flash or Fast mode. This is for quick motion heavy clips with faster generation. Think of Pro mode, like shooting a movie scene. Think of Turbo mode, like making a quick social media post. But here's what makes Video Q2 different from everything else out there. It supports something called reference to video. This is huge. You can upload up to 7 reference images, faces, scenes, objects, props, and the model will blend them into one video while keeping each element distinct. So you're not just typing a prompt and hoping for the best, you're giving it actual references to work with. And the quality of the motion is where this thing really shines. It offers what they call refined micro acting and emotion rendering. What does that mean? It means subtle facial expressions, lip sync, small details like blinking and eye movements. This makes characters actually act naturally instead of looking stiff or static like most AI video tools. It also supports camera moves like push and pull shots and tracking shots, so you get that cinematic feel. According to the makers, Video Q2 improves over its older version by offering better consistency, less wobbly frames, smoother movement, and better prompt and image fidelity. So they're actually listening to feedback and making the tool better. So back to it, let me break down the strengths of this tool. First, high fidelity and realism in short clips. Those micro expressions plus camera grammar gives you believable acting quality. Great for character focused or cinematic style shorts. Second, flexibility. You can combine multiple reference images, faces, objects, backgrounds, plus text prompts to craft complex scenes. Third, speed and iteration friendly. 2 to 8 second clips with faster generation cycles allow quick experimentation, good for content creators, social media, ads. Fourth, versatility, works as text to video, image to video, reference to video, also supports image generation and editing. But let's talk about the limitations, because I'm not here to sell you a dream, I'm here to give you the real facts. Output videos are short, 2 to 8 seconds. For longer stories, you'd need to stitch multiple clips together. As with many AI video models, there might still be rough edges, some motion artifacts, maybe less realistic for highly complex scenes depending on your input. Audio quality and emotional expressiveness in dialogue appear relatively flat compared to some competitors. For truly high quality cinematic output, you need careful design of reference images and prompts. Otherwise, results may be inconsistent. So, how do you actually use this thing? Let me walk you through the step by step process. First, get access. Go to Shengshu's official platform or website and sign up. Video Q2 is globally available. Some third party services that integrate Video Q2 seem to support it already too, so you have options. Second, choose your mode depending on your goal. For cinematic stuff, use Pro or Cinematic mode. For fast motion, heavy short clips, use Turbo or Flash mode. Third, prepare your inputs. If you're using reference to video, collect up to 7 high quality images, faces, props, backgrounds, objects, or use text prompt only for text to video. Good for conceptual or abstract scenes. You can also define first and last frames for a keyframe approach. This gives you more control over transitions and narrative. Fourth, set your video parameters, duration 2 to 8 seconds, resolution 720p or 1080p, aspect ratio. Fifth, generate and review. Generate the clip, review for consistency, check face identity, motion, artifacts, camera movement. Iterate and refine, adjust prompt, reference images or mode if needed. Sixth, post process if needed, stitch multiple clips together, add audio, dialogue, music, do final editing outside the AI if you want longer or more polished production. Now, let me tell you why this is actually huge. With Midjourney, you get a still image, that's where it stops. With Video Q2, you get motion, emotion, camera work. It adds cinematic storytelling potential, ideal for ads, shorts, intros, cinematic reveals, faster iteration, more dynamic output, opens a new creative playground beyond static art. Think about what you can do with this. Music video clips, YouTube intros, animated social media posts, ads for your business, product reveals, character animations. The possibilities are actually endless. And the best part is it's fast. You're not waiting hours for a render. You're getting results in minutes. Here's what I think is going to happen. Right now, most people are using AI for images only, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, but the next wave is video, and tools like Video Q2 are leading that charge. In 6 months, everyone is going to be making AI videos. The people who learn this stuff now are going to have a massive advantage because while everyone else is still figuring out how to make a good image, you're going to be making full motion videos. The key is to start experimenting now. Don't wait for the perfect tool. Don't wait until the technology is flawless. Start now while it's still early. Learn how it works, understand its limitations, figure out creative ways to use it, because the people who master these tools early are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else. Here's what I recommend. Go sign up for Video Q2 today. Start with something simple. Take an image you already have, run it through the image to video mode, see what happens. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Just get a feel for how it works. Then try the cinematic mode. Then try uploading multiple reference images. Then try different prompts. The more you play with it, the better you'll get. And here's the thing. You don't need to be a video expert to use this. You don't need to know about cameras or lighting or editing. You just need to have ideas. The AI does the heavy lifting. You just guide it in the right direction. That's the power of these tools. They lower the barrier to entry. They make professional looking content accessible to everyone. In conclusion, Video Q2 is a game changer for anyone who wants to create video content. It's not perfect, it has limitations, but it's a massive step forward in AI video generation. The fact that you can turn a still image into a moving video with realistic expressions and camera movement is incredible, and it's only going to get better from here.